Two top names in parental control apps. One big question. Which really keeps your family safer in 2025? On the left, mSpy, comprehensive advanced monitoring for digital safety. And on the right, EyeZy, easy, affordable monitoring with a friendly interface. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually matters for your peace of mind. Each category scores points, and by the end, you'll see exactly which app earns the top spot. The winner? You might be surprised. Okay, real quick. Here's the mind map of what we're comparing today. So we've got features, ease of use, stealth and compatibility, global reach and language support, price and value, and customer support. That's everything you actually care about, right? All right, first up, features. So, starting with mSpy. Honestly, this is the big leagues. We're talking deep data logging, historical activity. You get all the nitty-gritty stuff. Calls, SMS, GPS, geofencing, social media, and comprehensive reports that actually tell you real things. But fair warning, if you're not techie, you might end up staring at stuff wondering, wait, how do I even use this? It's a lot. Now, EyeZy. This one's cool because besides all the basics like social tracking and a keylogger, EyeZy snuck in a Twitter activity tracker. Yep, it literally tracks tweets. The reports are solid, but not as detailed. So if you want granular data, you'll notice the difference. Officially, mSpy wins this round for being total overkill, in a good way. Next up, ease of use. This is the make or break for a ton of families. mSpy is packed with dashboards, but honestly, the setup can be a headache if you want the coolest features, like you might need a coffee and a YouTube tutorial. EyeZy, though, it's basically asking, hey, do you not love setup stress? Because it's way more user-friendly. Tons of install guides. 6 methods versus just 3 on mSpy. The dashboard's intuitive, alerts make sense, and you won't feel lost. Seriously, EyeZy walks away with this one. On to stealth and compatibility. So mSpy is locked and loaded for iOS and Android. Plus, stealth mode works well. You're undercover and still get all the juicy info. Only thing, fewer ways to install it. So if your kid's tech is kind of weird, you might have to jump through hoops. EyeZy, on the other hand, offers 6 install methods. Even has options like no install Wi-Fi or iCloud sync. Pretty handy. And also does stealth mode, though certain advanced features need specific setups. It's kind of an even playing field here, so we're calling it a tie. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. EyeZy is literally the only monitoring app out there with a dedicated Twitter activity tracker. So if checking tweets is make or break, EyeZy's your guy. All right, global reach and language support. Now, if you've got families scattered all over, mSpy's got the advantage. Tons of languages, a global tech support team, and something called mAssistance, which sounds fancy, but is basically really personal tech support. EyeZy is good, sure, but mostly for English and a couple other languages. So if you need Turkish or Estonian, well, you get the picture. No contest here. mSpy is the go-to. Now let's talk price and value. mSpy's kind of a splurge, right? But you are getting that full arsenal of features. If you're a power user type, maybe worth every penny. Most parents, though, just want enough so they can sleep at night. And EyeZy's affordable, but still packs what everyone actually uses. Still pricier than absolute budget picks, but you get a fair deal. So, if wallets could vote, EyeZy's the clear winner, especially in 2025. Customer support. Honestly, this is where things get interesting. mSpy goes all out. Not just 24/7 multilingual support, but personalized assistance for setup, which is like hand-holding if you mess up. If you're anxious about breaking things, this is kind of priceless. EyeZy's support is totally fine. Super responsive, but not as premium feeling. So mSpy totally takes it if you want someone walking you through every step. Let's pause and check out the radar chart with all those scores, just to get a bird's eye view of where each app stands. You'll see mSpy mowing down the detail categories, while EyeZy breaks ahead in user experience and price. So here's my honest take. If you want, like, maximum digital coverage, every bell and whistle, and don't mind paying a bit more, mSpy is a powerhouse. But if you just want stress-free, easy monitoring and find the social stuff, like Twitter, important, then EyeZy makes your life way simpler. Basically, mSpy for the advanced crowd, EyeZy for everyone who hates headaches. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.